Hi everyone, it's Sarah Rocco, your top Jacksonville real estate agent. I am so excited to show you our newest listing here in South Jacksonville Beach. It's a gorgeous home, blocks to the ocean. I'll show you that in just a bit. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and I can't wait to take you inside and show you around.
Stepping inside this home, you'll find a 2-story ceiling entryway leading your eyes directly into the main living area with porcelain wood tile flooring throughout. The kitchen flaunts granite countertops, updated appliances, updated light fixtures, as well as a breakfast bar to entertain guests. Fix your eyes to the living room where you have ample natural light.
You'll notice many details in this home, such as the gorgeous linear fireplace, as well as this cute little nifty hideaway for all your mechanics that you don't want your guests to see.
To the side, you'll find the dining area, quite spacious with wainscoting and more natural light. Right off the dining room is one of the 4 bedrooms with its own full bath. All of the bathrooms in this home have been upgraded to have granite countertops and custom cabinetry. It is the perfect space for older children, Airbnb rentals, or even an in-laws suite. Moving on upstairs, the first rooms you'll see are the other 2 bedrooms, tied with a Jack and Jill bathroom. The bathroom has a great amount of counter space for 2 people, again boasting the granite countertops and custom cabinetry. Then also a separate room featuring the shower, so more than one person can use the restroom at the same time.
So the owner's suite is where I am right now, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This is unique. You're going to see the office, or it could be a nursery or a sitting area. This master bedroom is huge. I am in love with this owner's bathroom. Talk about ample natural light. It's absolutely phenomenal. There's porcelain wood floor. The entire bathroom has been completely redone, from the shower, the soaking tub, and the dual vanities. Step outside to the oversized balcony right off of the owner's suite. You'll notice there's a water hookup for a refrigeration system or sink, as well as the cypress shiplap. Enjoy the summer air out here on the balcony. So I'm standing outside in the backyard. It's actually a backyard oasis. You'll take note of the pergola as well as the paver patio. We have the outdoor kitchen. When you get in from the beach, conveniently use the outdoor shower to rinse off. We also have the spectacular swim spa. Now this can be heated or cooled, so you can use it in the winter months or in the summer months. South Jacks Beach is neighboring North Ponte Vedra Beach. It's a quiet neighborhood, no public access. This property is on a private road. I figured I would end the video at the beach, which is primarily the highlight of this property. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. Let us know if we can set up a private tour of this home for you.